Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start now. Cut your paper into the note size you want, 3 by 3 inches or any rectangle. You prepare a thin Fevicol mix, about 10% water, to make a workable, even coat. This improves spread and avoids clumps. Once done, brush a slim strip of the diluted glue along one short edge. Make sure the layer is thin and uniform so notes peel easily later. Immediately align a stack of 10-20 sheets, press the glued edge, and add a weight to set for 10-15 minutes. Once the first layer sets, you apply a second thin coat to reinforce adhesion without creating a soggy ridge. Use a flat craft brush and smooth strokes, moving glue inward slightly then back to the edge. This anchors the sheets but keeps them separable. Make sure to cure the stack flat under weight at room temperature, about 20 to 25 degrees, for 1 to 2 hours, because slow drying yields a flexible glue edge. If you see excess, clean with a damp cloth before it fully dries to maintain clean edges. Finish by trimming any misaligned edges so your pad looks professional, and square the corners if you prefer a neat finish. Now test by peeling one note. It should separate easily while the remainder stays bonded. This balance is the goal. If sheets stick too much, lightly sand the glued edge or brush on a tiny amount of water to reduce tack as it dries. If they don't stick, apply a very thin additional Fevicol strip and recure. Keep adjustments minimal to maintain peel quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.